Unlock the full potential of your online presence by seamlessly integrating your Squarespace and WordPress worlds. Ever admired a particular section of your Squarespace site, maybe a stunning image gallery, a captivating blog post, or a unique portfolio piece, and wished you could bring it into your WordPress environment? Good news, you absolutely can. This tutorial will guide you through innovative ways to embed and utilize your Squarespace elements within WordPress, expanding your creative possibilities without starting from scratch. Our journey begins on your Squarespace site. Navigate to the page or section you wish to integrate. We're looking for a way to extract this content. Many Squarespace elements, like galleries, videos, or even rich text blocks, offer an embed option. Look for a share icon, a get embed code button, or a similar functionality within the editing interface of your Squarespace content. Once you locate it, click to reveal the embed code. Now, let's switch gears to your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page or post where you want to add your Squarespace content. Open the editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to add a block where you can paste the embed code. In the WordPress editor, look for the option to add a new block. What we're searching for is a block that allows for custom code. The custom HTML block is perfect for this. Select it to create a new area for your embed code. With the custom HTML block active, simply paste the embed code you copied from Squarespace directly into this area. Then, save your changes or preview the page. You'll be amazed as your Squarespace element beautifully renders within your WordPress post or page. This is fantastic for showcasing specific portfolio items, embedding a curated Squarespace gallery, or even displaying a unique blog post preview that lives on Squarespace. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded elements from your Squarespace website into WordPress, creating a more dynamic and versatile online presence. Experiment with different Squarespace elements to see what creative integrations you can achieve. Happy embedding!